Hello IG Garage family, has your car thrown the P0033 error code and now you're wondering what's going on with your turbo or supercharger system? Don't worry, in today's video we're breaking down what P0033 means, the exact sensor location, and how you can fix it yourself. Stick around because fixing this might just save your turbo and your wallet. P0033 stands for Turbocharger Supercharger Bypass Valve Control Circuit Open. This means your car's ECM has detected an open circuit in the bypass valve, which is responsible for releasing excess boost pressure. Without it working properly, your turbo system could struggle to regulate pressure, causing poor performance or even damage. Now let's talk about the sensor location. It's the most important part. The bypass valve, also called the blow-off valve, is usually located near the turbocharger. Specifically, you'll find it attached to the intake piping or the turbo housing itself. Look for a small electronic valve like this, connected to vacuum lines and an electrical harness. This is where you'll need to focus your inspection. Wondering if your car is affected? Here are the signs. A loud hissing noise from the engine, especially when releasing the throttle, reduced power or turbo lag, the check engine light along with the P0033 code. And what causes this? The most common reasons include a faulty bypass valve, damaged or corroded wiring in the valve circuit, vacuum line leaks or disconnections. Here's how you fix it. Inspect the bypass valve for cracks, damage, or loose connections. Check the vacuum lines. If they're leaking or disconnected, repair or replace them. Test the wiring harness for continuity. If it's damaged, repair the wires or replace the harness. If the valve itself is faulty, replacing it is straightforward. After the repair, clear the code using a diagnostic scanner and take the car for a test drive to confirm the fix. And that's it for P0033. If this video helped you troubleshoot and fix your turbo system, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair content. Need more help with turbo issues? Check out our videos on P0236 for turbo boost sensor problems and P0501 for speed sensor troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.